So today is 15th of August 2026, Independence Day, and this much kilometer has been drove, 25,426. So this is the second and the last test video. So here you can see completely clean, some dry sand just fell off, and the suspension here you can see it completely clean, right? Make sure you the other side. So this side also cleaned completely, no sand here. So last time I said that this was 90% efficient, so I figure out the problem of sand getting deposited here, sand and water. Let's try this time and hoping I will reach like 95 to 99% efficiency. So let's go. So we are going in this kind of road, properly muddy and watery road. So we are turning around. So this kind of road we are testing it on. And here you can see little bit of water little bit of water just came. Let's go back again. चल पानी दे नको. So the last section is going to be like this. So this is the situation. All the sand and mud got stuck here, and here you can see little bit of sand and water came. So that came from this side. Okay, this side, that water, because here this is water. So all that came from this side, because whatever got deposited here, that was aligned little bit to that side, so fell mostly on the left hand side and little bit came through this point, and all this water and mud came from this side. Okay, so right now we are at 95 to 99% efficiency. So let me show you how much kilometer we go. 25,427. So we drove just 1 kilometer, not much. So I have tested it on long ride, already tested it, working perfectly. So this much of muddy sand will came because it is coming from this side. So in the near future I will make a proper chain cover that will cover on the other side also, so that there will be no mud and water getting deposited over there. So let me show you the suspension side. So here you can see suspension completely clean. Okay, let me show you inside also. Completely clean. 1-2 drops of water only, or else completely clean. So most of got stuck over here. So this is the final test result video. After this there will be no test result, because right now this accessory is at 95 to 99% efficiency. So if you are interested, then do comment me in the comment section. There is no link, since I am not a big manufacturer who is selling it on a website. I can sell it on website, but if I try to sell it at website, then the pricing will go up. So for that reason I didn't sell it on any website. And also it is a on demand made product. So if you need it, then only I will make it for you. So that's it. And also it will cost you 450 rupees including shipping. Do comment your pin code in the comment section. And thank you for watching. After this there will be the last video about this product properly, how to install everything, because right now you can see I just put some tape just to test it. And also in the last video I will talk about what's the problem or engineering flaws which other people are selling this, and why mine is better than them, those which are sold right now. And also I will give you the contact details to contact me to order this one. So after this there will be just one video. Thank you for watching. And this is a necessary accessory. You need to install it in order to save your suspension and also the chain area. Thank you for watching it.